So we were gonna start on the bus, but Isaac has to have his yerb. So I guess we're gonna go do that real quick. We're just getting the wire ready to put another light into the stall. We are officially done with getting the shower stall down. It's time to move on to greener pastures. That is solid. Nice.
Oh yeah, bro. I see people doing some crazy stuff, but that's not it.
Oh yeah, that's really nice. That's in place now. There ain't no moving that.
We are trying to finish the fridge section.
Oh, nice.
It's been a whole mission. I think I'm on day 3 right now.
Yep, I wasn't with him on day 2, but here's day 3, and we're gonna finish that today.
We're gonna give it our Valiento efforto.
There it is. As Isaac stated earlier, he's on day 3. I wasn't here for day 2. So what happened? And Isaac changed his mind that I'm learning about today on certain things is over here with the fridge at the bottom here, he now has a heater. So he's doing a heater. At first it was going to be a drawers, a pots and pans drawers, but he realized that it just wouldn't work out. So he did a heater. And the other thing is he put it up on a little box. This is now a new drawer. We did that so this would be sitting taller, easier to get into, and just is pretty nice like that. So that's basically what he got done yesterday, along with bracing it and building around, making sure it stayed supported. So yeah, today we're gonna finish up the walls and either get this down or not. Did it even look like you needed any off the top?
I'm gonna take a look.
Okay. Oh, nice. Okay.
There she is.
We did it! Was it one try? So close, just the very tip, where we didn't really touch much. That's pretty good. Oh, this is gonna go so much faster. I'm so happy. The other wall took like an hour and a half, this one, 10 minutes. Hi friends and amigos. So today's agenda, we are heading on into town. I bring you another one of these videos because I hadn't done anything with Jelena in quite a while. Hi Jelena.
Hi guys.
We're doing the brother-sister duo today. So our first destination was going to be Target. We're doing some Christmas shopping today. Little Ember booties. Oh, that's adorable. They don't got no formula? You can always check Walmart. All these choices with no idea what to choose. Is this the final decision?
It's one of her gifts.
I have to say, this is the funniest toy. It's a little remote. Little Ember loves a remote.
Good remote.
So we got a good remote for her.
They don't have a lot of options here.
And our little shopping at Target is done for the day. We got about a couple more stops, but yeah, this is turning out nice. We got Ember some awesome toys. We got some ornaments that represent everyone. I think my favorite is the one that represents Jelena. It's a little bottle of wine.
Red wine too.
Yo, red wine. Catch you later.